Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris. In which case it's basically just a race to, I think I figured out 320 planets. Currently we have, what's 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, so 7, 8, it's 13 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 on the way. Yeah, we have less than 320. It's going to be interesting. We're going to have to take some, and it's going to be a little while before we can take some. The Teutonic Order becomes the president in a year, and then 5 years after that, it's our turn. Which means one thing, I think I'm going to actually integrate these guys. They may not like me at that point. I kind of don't care. They get this weird thing that recently conquered modifier to their opinion, even though you didn't conquer them. So, Anyway, 230 influence at a rate of 3 influence per month. Alright, let's do it. We will not be vassalizing anybody. We just won't be. No more vassals. No more. Not at this point. I did because because we were in an alliance and we had to throw in a vassalization in order to get people to agree to our stuff. And now we don't have to worry about that anymore. So, good times. I played with... I'm going to get time going. I played with governors a little bit. So we have an intellectual in charge of Corfu, of course. We have another intellectual in charge of Murano, which actually turns out to be... I probably should have picked someone else. Ha! Oh well. I think I looked, and there really isn't anybody really great. I have another intellectual in charge of Venezia. I have an intellectual in charge of Zara, Great White North, and then we have the architectural guide, basically the builder in charge of Crossroads, because Crossroads needs all the buildings it can get. And an environmental engineer over here on the Great Green East, because they are going to need to clear out a lot of stuff, a lot of tile blockers. So let's continue. Oh, construction ship. Da Vinci. Give me some stuff. Oh, we don't have minerals. As is usual, we it's a new session, so yeah. As is usual, we go through pretty much all of our minerals before we can do anything else. Yeah, we rip through our minerals pretty quick, and then we have to wait a little bit before we can do more. I cannot wait to play with Uplift. That's gonna be awfully nice. Our High Priest is still a Corvette focused dude. Frontier Outpost. We're just not gonna do Frontier Outposts. At some point, I do want to expand into this area. There's some nice resources here, but I don't have the resources. I don't have the influence for it. Not at this point. Georgia, where are you? Oh, you're down here. Okay. Do we have a colony ship? Yeah, I don't think we do. I was gonna say, do we have a colony ship that can go up into here? And I don't think we can. I don't think we do. I really want this one. These 2 ocean worlds. So as soon as we get the stuff, and actually, we might have it already. Oh no, we're building one already. Okay. So colony ship complete. Will come up next.
Construction complete.
Spaceport Murano. What'd you do? Oh, okay. A new fleet. A few corvettes. Let's get just a couple more corvettes out.
Colony established.
Excellent. Shoja. Oh, so good. Let's set you up. Let's clear this. No, let's clear that. That'll be good. And then just because we're in a clearing mood, let's clear that. There we go. Let's do that. Construction chip, Da Vinci. Give me some stuff. Give me all the mining stations. Thank you. What do we got? Inactive buildings. Right, Corfu. People keep leaving Corfu. There's nothing we can do about that. That's fine. We'll just have to grow. Ooh, do we want to upgrade? No. In fact, what we may want to do here, instead of upgrading this food, what we may want to do is... we want to do like a hyper entertainment form. I still don't think that's a wise thing, because most of these people are happiness capped anyway. And until we get another... Actually, hang on. 65, yeah. Until we get another 5 available, or 5, what's it called? Habitability. It's not really worth it. Although, we could upgrade this. Get a little money. A little bit more money. Yes. Actually, let's kind of zip through. Anything worth doing in well, we need more we need more minerals before we would do that. Okay. Starvation. Who? Sibanico. Oh yeah, figures. That figures. Well, let's have you actually work that. Let's have you work that. And then... upgrade this. Can't yet. We don't have the minerals. We will very soon.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
There you go.
System survey complete.
Okay. Which one is Bronca? Bronca, look. Get over here. Give me... well, move here. Dungal. Where is this? Oh, that is right on the border of the Hansa. Ooh, hang on. And it's not a bad spot. Give me a minute. What do we got here? It's small. And it comes with a desert, or it comes with 2 desert worlds. That's actually really good. I think that's where we go. Can I see here? Yeah, there's no habitables. There's very little habitable in this area. But we can go grab that. Speaking of colony ship, in fact, I think we go grab this. We go grab this right the crap now. Hey, you, colonize planet. Right. Ugh. You have to go there. No wasting science. No wasting science. Okay, Bronca. You got what it takes? Yeah. Build research stations.
Complete.
What do we got? Spaceport of
Construction
Cipro.
complete.
Did I tell Cipro to do something? I don't remember telling Cipro to do anything. Yeah, I don't think we did. Oh yeah, it that's what it is. They upgraded my... oh, they built a colony ship. Duh, okay. Okay, a colony ship. For... not tropical. Continental. I think that's where we go. Yep, we're just soaking up territory right here. Okay, colonize this. Colonize planet. Yeesh, that's horrible. Looks like we're going here. That's horrible. That's a pathetic little planet. If it weren't for its positioning, I wouldn't go there at all. And now, as soon as Choja is done, we're gonna give it to another. We're gonna give it to another system. Let them deal with it.
Research complete.
Yes! Research! Psi-warriors! Psi-warriors, guys! I might actually make some assault armies. You never know. We'll see. New research. There it is! Yes! Okay. Oh man, I've been just begging for this for a good long while. Oh, sexual limit +1. We're nowhere near that. Uplift. Our epigenetic triggers allows us to uplift species. We're gonna go nuts once this happens. Like, completely nuts. 28 months. Whatever. Don't care. In some ways, I'm actually kind of liking this whole sector system. Like, I just don't have to care. I kind of like not caring at this point.
System survey complete. Construction complete.
Okay, let's build us a couple more Corvettes. Let's go Murano. Spaceport. Give me... It's all Corvettes, so let's get damage. Let's just get damage. And then Venezia. There we go. 8 more Corvettes on the way. Construction ships are going crazy over here. We're getting reasonable amounts of research, which is awfully nice. Zarem system, that's kind of useless. Oh! And there's our fleet. Oh, Choja, you're done. Good. Great Green East. Managed sector.
Complete.
Here. Have that, and that, and that. Thank you. Oh, you're so close to that. Construction ship. Oh, finish. Thank you. Where are you again? Right. Go and get us some cash. Yeah, get some cash. And then, can you get some more cash? Yeah. Actually, don't do that. Just build this. Don't do that. We'll have this guy build that.
Construction complete.
Oh, Da Vinci. Perfect. Perfect timing, because I wanted you to go and do this. Build mining stations. It's 450 minerals worth of mining station there. Good work, I guess. Spaceport of Judeca. Oh, Judeca. Would you build me? Or is it just that Judeca has a spaceport now? Wow, we have a huge naval capacity at this point. So big.
Construction complete.
Alright. All our fleets. Not you. Merge up. Third and fourth fleet, come on over here. We'll have you merge up. You know what I could actually really go for now? We could probably get some more point defense, to be completely honest.
Complete.
Probably another cruiser. I think it's time for one more point defense cruiser. Hang on. What is this? And where? Oh, there it is. Yeah. We've checked out the Devil's Maw. There's only, you know, some physics research, but that's okay. Who's this? An unidentified empire has declared Finland their rival. You be nice to Finland. I mean, we may have to take him, but until then, you be nice, okay? Colony ship. Nice. What am I doing? Right. Let's get us a... Where am I? I need a mini-map. Or just to move out, or, you know, zoom out. I think Venezia. I think Venezia is going to... Assisting research, okay. Be the place where we, we'll do, like, cruiser assembly yards here. So we will have to upgrade. Wow, that's expensive. Yeah, we can't even afford any cruisers. Near sentient natives of Lido are causing a ruckus on the outskirts of our colony. I think it's the same thing as before. We'll try to figure out where they're going.
Research complete.
Group of xenologists, something, 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 and we get a bunch of research. Yeah, we've already seen that one. And battleships. Check that out. Oh. During the break, I will design a couple of battleships. And that'll be nice. Devastator torpedoes. What the heck are Devastator torpedoes? Advanced torpedoes with very powerful warheads. They have a sleeker design, faster engines, and upgraded shield modulations for slipping through energy screens. We already knew they would get through shields. That is high damage. Oh my crap. I think we go plasteel armor though. I do use armor. It's not bad, and it's fairly cheap to do. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, and only 1 month remaining for shield harmonics, so fun time. So, oh no, that's just plain old shield points, shield hit points. Okay, not bad. So during the break, yeah, I'll design a few boats. Galileo, you're just in orbit around Corfu. I don't want you in orbit around Corfu. I want you assisting research. There we go. And my fleet, 5.6k, not bad. I'm gonna want a couple more cruisers.
Transmission.
Couple more cruisers. Venice, build it. I still can't. Well, wait, why can't I? Oh, requires a level 5 spaceport. Well, then give me a level 5 spaceport. Diplomatic proposal. You want star charts. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Interesting. They don't know anything about this region, but there are no habitable worlds out in a lot of these areas. That's why they're not settled. I think that's what that means. No, that's really unlikely. The fact that the idea that there are no habitable worlds out in these areas. It's just kind of silly. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Aztecs, what's your current situation? Is there something in it for us? Okay, yeah, we have border friction. Yeah, they're rather wary. And they are rival to Finland, Teutons, and the Big Blue Blob. And speaking of, I think the Teutonic Order is now in charge. Now, they have, they're now the president. They have not shied away from combat this game. I'm beginning to think that I wish I had amped up the aggression level of the AI just a little bit. I think that would have been kind of nice. But alas. But alas. How is Crossroads doing? Oh yeah, they're getting all kinds of resources now. Ooh, they even have a pretty good amount of science. Oh yeah, good work, Crossroads.
Colony established. Research complete.
Excellent. Shield hit points, plus 5%. I'll take it. Advanced shields. Even more shieldy. Advanced combat rolls. Ooh, we may do that. Okay. Here's a good question. Power Plant 3, plus Betharian Power Plant 3, which is awfully nice, and it doesn't take very long. Or improved assist research. I mean, we are Venetian, right? Last I checked, we are Venetian, so let's go for it. 26 months. Okay. Colony established. Paros? Where's that? Yeah. Give me a farm. Oh, look at that little thing. Oh, this is so bad. Well, we can't even give it away to a sector. I mean, it has to be its own sector, which is fine. But at some point, we're definitely going to have to attack the Hansa. We just are. Alright. Alright. Okay, construction ship. Anything else you can do? Not over here. Not really. But you can come on over here. Build me some mining stations. Yeah. Actually, better yet, come over here instead. Build a research station, but when you're done, you'll bug me. It'll be fine. Oh yeah, Venezia. Oh yeah, Venezia. 60 something days until I can upgrade me some stuff. Oh no! Somebody died! The scientist doing society research. No. Yeah, let's recruit us as another scientist. Make it... Huh. I'll move this around a little bit, but I'm gonna do industry. No. Particles. Pick him. And then, you know what we're gonna do? Oh, I should have picked industry. Oh, oops. And then we're gonna switch this guy out. Sebastiano Corniola. Pick that guy. Yes. And then pick that guy. Yeah, alright. 7 months to uplift. Oh man, that's gonna change our world. Let me tell you. How are we doing towards Castile? They are still inferior.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Paros has finished its surface construction. How are you doing, Paros? Anything else we can do for you? Not really. We can clear some slots, but I'll do that later. Oh, Venezia. Spaceport, build! What do we want? I think we want a couple more PD cruisers. Well, just one for now. There's our timer. Take a sip of my tea. And Da Vinci has done some stuff. Da Vinci, what are you doing?
Construction complete.
What is Da Vinci doing? Oh yeah, he's still got building to do. Inactive buildings. Murano, yeah. Crap. Again. Yeah, this place just needs work. Just needs work. We're gonna replace this. We're gonna replace this hydroponics farm with... Actually, how much money are you making? +7? $28.5. Is it time for a power hub? I think it's time for a power hub. Yeah, boy. Pump it up. Okay, yeah. Let's get some cash. And
Colony
then...
established.
Okay. Which colony just finished? Tenedo? Yeah, no. What? Which one is this? Oh, it's down there. Shoot. Can't give this one away easily, can we? Great Green East. Manage sector. Can't do it. Nope. Oh, go ahead and have that one, though. It's gonna need to be its own thing. Empire. Create new sector. Pick that one. Take all that stuff. It's fine. And then finish. And then we're gonna just give you a... why don't you get... There you go. Bunch of stuff. Respect tile resources? Nah. And then we're going to give you something else. Let's see. How are these planets? Negroponte. How are your tiles? Oh, you still need to clear some. Same with Verona. Though that's not that bad. Oh man, starvation. Gosh. What's your guy's problem? Choja. Oh, you're good. Some really unhappy people here. Xenophobes. Why is it that these people always end up xenophobes? And then a bunch of, like, French folks show up. Oh. And these guys are repugnant. They don't like any of our immigration treaties. And they don't like... Oh, that's what it was. From neighbors. Hey, hang on just a sec. Let me show you something. I just realized what this was. Not Murano. Murano's all Venetians. Let's go Corfu. Corfu was kind of a multicultural thing. Part of his happiness actually comes from neighbors, +13. It's because of, we're charming. Or, yeah, not charming, but... Yeah, just being on a planet with a bunch of us makes them really happy. I just love that. I love that character. It's too good. Okay, Paros. You're way the crap over here. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Guess we just get to, Oh, their technology is inferior. It looks like we just get to attack the Hansa. Looks like they expanded so fast that their technology is almost as inferior as ours. There's almost, or it's even worse than ours actually. Let's see if we can get another governor. Yes, let's do it. Okay, there we go. And then we'll have to send some form of, oh yeah, we'll have to send our thing down. our fleet down. Why did we do that? Oh, that's a tropical world. Okay. We're going to have to send our construction ship. Yeah, because there's a ton of money, and there's a little bit of minerals there. It'll be nice. And then, yeah, let's send someone down to here, down to this ocean world. We'll pick all of this up. It'll be great. It'll be grand. It'll be wonderful. But it'll be next time. So, yeah, we've been expanding into some weird little pockets over here. We discovered a little bit about what's going on around the Aztecs, although I don't completely believe everything that it's showing us. I don't believe... Oh, there it is. Oh, I wasn't zoomed in enough. Oh yeah, there's plenty of habitable stuff out here. So yeah, we'll have to pick all this stuff up. I don't think that they will give us... They won't. There's no way they'd give us border access. Border access. Civilian access. Oh, they would. They would give us civilian access, but it would be hard to defend out here. I think we're just going to take it at some point. We're going to take some stuff from them. We're going to move out here. We're going to fill in this area. Oh. Oh, guys, look at this. Gaia World. The Emerald Mausoleum. Guess what? That one's holy. That's something that you don't land on that world if you want to live. How's that sound? But at some point we'll do it. But yeah, we'll see what we do. I'm gonna try to decide how much settling we want to do out here right now. We could pick up some of these. These would be awesome. But then we'd have to defend them. Then we would have to defend them. And then after a war, we couldn't enforce our ability to access them. So that's tough. That is tough. The other thing I will do is I will design us some new ship designs. Update some old ones, design some new ones, and we'll see what happens. But we'll go from there next time. You know what? I enjoyed myself. It's fun just spreading ourselves all across the map in really weird ways. It's just like being Venice for real, right? I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.